समस्त को धन्यवाद दूची ये समस्त बिजनेसमैन भाई मैंने अच्छा जो मैंने मोटे देखुले डिस्प्ले जोड़ा करुले से भी विभिन्न जो व्यवसाय बड़ बड़ व्यवसाय कर बालेश्वर जिले में नेटवर्किंग सिस्टम जोड़ा कर निश्चित मु जो मैंने भी कर समस्त को मंच रही गोटे कथा कहमी आम जाऊ काम कर जो बिजनेस कर ऑनेस्टली करवा दरकार से ऑनेस्टी भितर जो क्वालिटी जिनस दौचे क्वालिटी ठीक रखा दरकार निश्चित ये एक आयोजन कर नसी भितर जो भाई मैंने आसुँच समस्त को मु साधुवाद दूसरी धन्यवाद दूसरी मत डाकी इंग्राजी नववर्ष समस्त बिजनेसमैन भाई मान वर्षटी 2025 समस्त शुभमय हो समस्त बिजनेस भल चलू मोर आम सरकार मोर प्रति सदा सम्मान रही आम आप सांगे अच्छु बिजनेस करूँ लोक मान रोजगार दिंतु समस्त धन्यवाद नमस्कार जय हिंद जय भारत
To please acknowledge the presence, and I'd like to welcome Mr. Vineet Sethia, our title sponsor of this evening, to please join.
All of them are there, so I think today's event is there. We are here to celebrate success, we are here to celebrate collaborations, we are here to celebrate entrepreneurship, and there's
Please do the honors. और समस्त को अनुरोध करी भी ताड़ी रे जम्मा भी कंजूसी है बनाई कि जोरदार दमदार करताली आवा दरकार.
Morning, BNI. So I heard about BNI from Mr. Saj. So when he come Balasore, he met me first, and within the hour of discussion, I love to become a member of BNI, and I am the first member of BNI Balasore. So thank you all the BNI member, and जो आपका फॉर्मूला है जो कुछ देने से कुछ मिलता है तो देना चाहिए, आगे देखते हैं मिलता है क्या. थैंक यू.
ताली टिके जोरदार है वो एवरीबॉडी. लेट्स नॉट टेक बैक ऑल द अप्लॉज. वापस घर नहीं लेके जाएंगे. बहुत सारी तालियां बखूबी यहीं बजा के जाएंगे हम एवरीबॉडी. बहुत ही एवरीबॉडी. I think सुनीता मैम की इस आवाज में एक बार हैप्पी मॉर्निंग तो चाहिए हमें. I'm very sure a voice that is so thrilling. Ma'am, after the finish station, we would really want everyone to get a little cheering from you. So can you please say it for us? Happy morning, BNI! BNI Dhanush rocks! And there we go. Okay. Sangram sir, Amrut Karvi to please present this lovely token of love on behalf of BNI Dhanush family. All right. Next, I would like to welcome on stage our unit head HIL, Pitabas Behra. All right, moving ahead, requesting Mr. Bhagwan Das. Next, I'd like to welcome Mr. Shiv Kumar Todar, Managing Director of Premier Group. Welcome, sir. Sir के लिए I think बहुत ज़्यादा तालियां बजनी चाहिए. He was on time. He was all active from the beginning and may I please request you to kindly join us on stage. With this, I request Ashish Gupta ji, Unit Head Imami, our guest of honor. Welcome, sir. Thank you so much for being here. With this, I'd like to welcome Colonel Ramchandra. Alright, on that note, ladies and gentlemen, we definitely had a very energetic start to this evening, but it's now time क्योंकि शुभ आरंभ करके जय जगन्नाथ। क्या बात है, thank you so much. And as we say, Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Sarvada. With that, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much dignitaries for being here with us. But कुछ गेस्ट को मैं मंच पर रोकना चाहूँगी, कुछ प्यारी forward for me for sprinkling some valuable words to the earnest gathering here. So please.
Of a fish out of water. I neither know BMI nor am I from the civil fraternity. So I only know how to make paper. But thank you very much for having me here. Thank you the organizers and thank you for the honor. I know networking, I know one thing about networking. Networking is not just about connecting people. It's about connecting people to people, people to ideas and people to opportunities. And I'm sure with the BMI network, the opportunities will keep growing and your businesses will keep growing. I wish the event and your ventures all the very best. Thank you.
Chief. So I think in the last, since the inception, they have done business. What can anyone guess? Almost 50 crores of business. That is 50 plus crores of business BNI Balasore team has done. It's team. I mean, the visitors to this particular. I think this is the first activity which BNI Balasore has done. Hats off. It's a wonderful, which will be inspiration to other regions and other chapters of Odisha to go ahead and do it. And special thanks to Vinit. I think Samal. Right. Thank you.
So I would like to take this opportunity to thank our mentors because the journey was not that smooth. But before I would tell you, when I take their name, it is just not coming from my mouth, it is coming from my heart. The three mentors that Greater Odisha we always look for. Stay with us. She meets us every 6 months, 3 months, 4 months. But we are sure that I personally is being connected with her week on week, maybe day on day. So my mentor Namrata Samal, thank you so much. The lady who's every member or even my wife sometimes says you are a Xerox copy.
Always held my hand, always supported me and always gave me whatever I wanted when I so none other than the Midas Trust lady Sunita Mahanti, CS Sunita Mahanti, I'm sorry. Not there, BNI journey won't have been possible. The person who taught me BNI hota kya hai. That I always see and I always think that man is just standing beside me or just behind me to just pushing me forward, go I am there with you, go I am there with you. He is none other than my mentor, my guide, Shri Pradeep Agarwal ji is there. When I joined BNI, I had a question, why BNI? The only person who can dare to answer that was not these three mentors. The man who told me why BNI and that stuck into the mind and I became a BNI member within 6 hours is our district director, Shri Bimal Samalji. BNI community. Together we build, together we grow and we thrive. Thank you for a night ahead. Thank you so much. Signing off, Saad Hashmi, your Associate Area Director, BNI Balasore. Thank you. And here and person who just had all trust whatever I did. These two, D and D, Devjot.
Thank you so much, Saad sir. That was absolutely amazing. Well, on that note, ladies and gentlemen, I'll please request you, sir, to please stay back a little more with us on stage. Mr. Sanjeev Patra ji to please join us upon stage. Mr. Parvinder Singh ji to please join us on stage. And Jagdish, our area directors for Baleshwar, to kindly honor them with the love that we can sprinkle on them for being here this evening. and Divya Jyoti ji to please honor Jagdish Patra. Once again, thank you so much from the bottom of our hearts for being. We would want you to do something for us, which is honoring few of our very important members who have rocketed 17 inductions in a single forum, and welcoming Mr. Sanjay Somani ji on this stage. Thank you. Truly melts our heart. Once again, we welcome you onto the stage, and I please request Sanjeev sir to begin with the honoring process. आपने हमें दिया है, उम्मीद है उतना ही प्यार और उतना ही जोड़ जो हम लोगों ने इतना मजबूत जोड़ बनाए रखा है वो आगे भी यूं ही बरकरार रहेगा. Once again, we believe this is just not a journey of success. This is a journey that definitely tells an individual. पूरा जो माहौल है उतनी ही एनर्जी काफी होगी, उतना ही जज्बा काफी होगा हमारे लिए. Big hand for Mr. Indra you have put in to this evening, to this forum, requesting Mr. Suraj Giri. Thank you so much. Mr. Jayant Kishore Tripathi. Requesting Mr. Jayant Kishore Tripathi to please step towards the stage. थोड़ी सी हंसी की कमी है गोविंद सर, थोड़ा और हंस सकते हैं. There we go, रास्ते में मिस आउट हो गई थी वो. Please keep the energy bars high in the forum. तालियां बजती रहे. Let's keep applauding for our rock sponsors, Mr. Lakshmikant. Requesting Mr. Jayant Kishore Tripathi sir as our valued rocket sponsor by Mr. Parvinder Singh sir. Rabar Alam. Yeah, we want. और आप लोग ऐसे आराम से बैठ क्यों रहे हैं? थोड़ी और तालियां everybody come on. छोटी सी रिक्वेस्ट है मेरी, तालियों में कमी ना करें. सुनीता मैम की ताली. This name definitely needs more applause because the lady power. And with this I will thank you.
Month of February have been approved by the department. Completed project lists. Next. Well, every